Hey everybody, welcome back. In this following video, I'll show you how can you make Bitmoji with Selfie on Snapchat. So to make Bitmoji with Selfie on Snapchat, you just have to follow these steps. So first thing, you want to go ahead and open up your Snapchat application, log into your account. After you're logged into your account, click on the Bitmoji from the top left hand side corner of your screen. Then you want to go to the gear icon. As you go to the gear icon, then you want to scroll down a bit and find Bitmoji. First of all, you want to go ahead and make sure to click on the Bitmoji, or just click on unlink my Bitmoji and click on remove. As you've done it, so you'll be able to see that you've successfully removed it. So now what next you want to do is exit out of this page and go back to the home page and click on the Bitmoji, and then click on the Bitmoji from the top right, and here you want to go ahead and click on the create my avatar options. As you click on create my avatar option from the top, you want to go ahead and select the gender first of all, and then while you go to the Bitmoji section, you could see at the bottom of the page there is an option to choose a selfie. And once you do it, so you want to go ahead and make sure to click on the done button. As you do it, so at the bottom of the page you could see there is a section as update your Bitmoji. Use your camera to instantly update your Bitmoji. All you need to do is click on the start button and then scan your face. Once you do it, so you will be able to make Bitmoji with Selfie on Snapchat. So that is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.